After owning my first magnetic arm mount off Amazon, I picked up a second one off Aliexpress. The key difference between the two of them, this one can actually swivel up and down versus left and right. Hello and welcome back. It's your host, VLD. Let's get started. After owning the iPad Pro for a couple of years now, I've owned a variety of different accessories for it, different mounts, different arm clamps, anything that attaches to the iPad with magnets. I'm always a big fan of. I've reviewed products from Zalel, Luludeck, Patika. I always tend to go back to my original magnetic arm I picked up off Amazon. To me, that seems like the perfect solution. The only issue with that is it only swivels left and right. I really want to own one that goes up and down. After browsing off AliExpress, I found a magnetic arm that does go up and down. This might be a good fix for that. Let's get to it. The one off Amazon is nice and sturdy. It's built like a tank. I have no real complaints with that. My only issue is it doesn't swivel up and down. That would have been perfect. Unfortunately, because it doesn't do that, I'm always searching for the next best thing. I picked this one up off AliExpress for about $80. The Amazon one is $100, only a $20 difference. The main key difference is the AliExpress one can swivel up and down versus the Amazon one, which can only go left and right. Between the two of them, I just like that better, just for a better workflow. The Amazon one is built like a tank. Unfortunately, it's just a little bit too sturdy. The AliExpress one, on the other hand, is a little bit thinner. You can't completely collapse it like the one off Amazon. There are some key differences between them. Like I said, I would rather have one that can swivel up and down versus left and right. Amazon one can only go left and right. Besides that, that's where the pros end. The AliExpress one is made from inferior material. The build quality is kind of questionable. It flexes way too much. After owning it for only a week, the screws are stripped. I can't really tighten or loosen it anymore because when you buy anything off AliExpress, it can always be a mixed bag. You can rotate it 360 degrees up and down. Unfortunately, just because of the build quality, if you touch the AliExpress stand, it wobbles way too much. Even if you were to just breathe on it, look at the shaking. The main selling point about this product is to have an extendable arm for your iPad. It's magnetic, adjust at any position. It's pretty simple, but the simple fact that the build quality and the materials it's made of are just quite lacking. The arm itself cannot actually support the iPad. It kind of just slumps down. The main purpose of the product to use it, you can't actually use it. It slumps down and the arm can't actually fully support the iPad. Maybe a smaller one. It's just kind of a head scratcher. This exists in a sense. Like the one off Amazon is built like a tank compared to the one off AliExpress. It flexes, it's flimsy, it's not really a good experience overall. It leaves you wondering, why should you buy the AliExpress one compared to the one off Amazon? Honestly, never buy it. Comparing them both fully extended, the one off AliExpress can't actually stand all the way up. You have to kind of angle it just to hold it into position. If not, it will just fall down. AliExpress sells a whole variety of arm clamps for your iPad. Unfortunately, they are all the same, and I do not recommend any of them. For $20 more, you can pick one up off Amazon with much better build quality from a company you can trust. It's reliable. Having an arm that really flexes, it doesn't support your iPad, it just slumps down. The screws are stripped within a week. It's not really good. I like the design better. I like the ability of rotating my iPad up and down, but just having a terrible device really leaves a lot to be desired. So if I had to choose between either of them, I would rather pay a few dollars more and pick up the one off Amazon because it's 100 times better. I've owned the one off Amazon for about 6 months now, and hands down, that is one of my favorite devices. If you like to do a lot of drawing, universal control with Stage Manager, hooking up your iPad to an external monitor, the one-off Amazon is a perfect solution for you. Granted, you can't swivel your iPad up up and down. It's only left and right. You can rotate it 360 degrees. The one off Amazon is really good. You can pick it up for around $100. It will work for the iPad Air 4 or 5, any of the 11-inch Pros, the Pro 12.9-inch. I do recommend that over the one off Aliexpress. Any of those off Aliexpress, do not buy. They're all the same. They're terrible build quality. So, like always, it's your host, VLD. Smash that bell and subscribe. Peace.